Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you how to create TXT file in Mac. So for doing this, you just need to go to Launchpad. In Launchpad you just need to open text editor. So now you just need to choose new document. Now just write something and just tap on save and save to desktop. So now you can see it here, just tap on it, just tap with 2 fingers, and now you just need to tap get info, and here in the name and extension you just need to write TXT and just tap on enter. So just choose use TXT. So now you successfully create TXT file. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to our channel, click on bye.